Okay, this fire alarm has been going off since 3 a.m. What time is it now? It's 4:20, and so I've ripped out the fire alarm from the ceiling and took out this darn 9-volt battery dated 2008, and it's still beeping. It's driving me nuts. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my gosh. It's driving me nuts. So this is the culprit smoke detector. Sorry I called it a fire alarm, but that's what it sounded like at 3 in the morning. So anyway, I changed out the battery so it has a fresh one and it should be good for now. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.